work of a heavy-duty equipment technician is demanding. Engines, hydraulics, and electrical systems need precision every time, and preparing for your Journeyman exam requires the same level of focus. This isn't just another test. The Journeyman exam is a nationally recognized certification. Once you pass, your ticket is valid across the country. That means better mobility, stronger career opportunities, and a credential that carries real respect. So, what does the exam look like? You'll face around 100 to 150 multiple choice questions. Expect a time limit of about 4 hours. And the questions aren't about trivia, they're practical. You might be asked to troubleshoot a hydraulic system, interpret wiring diagrams, or identify causes of engine failures. It's designed to see how you think on the job. That's why preparation is so important. You don't just want to memorize, you want to practice applying knowledge. Break your study sessions into key areas: engines, hydraulics, electrical, brakes, steering, and safety procedures. Even 30 minutes a day can build lasting confidence. Now, let's talk about resources. At journeymanstudyguide.com, you'll find Q&A books designed to mirror the exam. There are also explanation-style guides, which walk you through the reasoning behind each answer. And for real exam simulation, online timed practice tests are available. These tools don't guarantee success, but they give you the structure and familiarity you need to feel prepared. Here's the thing. Many technicians haven't written a formal exam in years. If that's you, don't stress. Plenty of tradespeople are in the same boat. The right study plan makes the process manageable, even if you're working long hours or balancing family commitments. The Journeyman ticket is more than a piece of paper. It can open doors to 4-person roles, inspection jobs, or even teaching. Some technicians go on to start their own shops, building businesses around their skills. That kind of growth starts with passing this exam. Confidence comes from preparation, and preparation is about having the right tools. JourneymanStudyGuide.com was built with tradespeople in mind. Everything is digital, easy to download, and mobile ready. That means you can review materials during a break, in the lunchroom, or even on the bus ride home. You already know your trade. You've put in the hours in the shop and on the job site. Now it's about proving it with certification. Approach your study sessions with the same discipline you use when repairing a machine. One step at a time, one system at a time. When exam day comes, you'll be ready. You'll have the knowledge, the confidence, and the tools to succeed. Because the heavy-duty equipment technician Journeyman, exam preparation isn't just about passing, it's about building the career you deserve.